Hello and welcome to Ballymore Old Cemetery in County Wexford. So if for any reason that you're looking for this cemetery, put into Google Ballymore Old Cemetery, because the directions will, if you put in Ballymore Cemetery, it'll take you to the new cemetery and you'll have to ask for help to find this place. The reason I'm here is to visit the grave of Joseph Whitty, who was a member of the Wexford IRA during the War of Independence, and then the anti-treaty, and still in the Wexford IRA. He was a member of the anti-treaty IRA. He joined a mass hunger strike in 1923 as prisoners were looking for release and different demands to be met, and he ended up dying at the age of 19, and he was buried here in Ballymore Old Cemetery. I'm sure at the time it was just Ballymore Cemetery, but this is his grave. Joseph Whitty, Connolly Street, Wexford, South Wexford Brigade IRA, who died for Ireland 2nd of August 1923, age 19. And in loving memory of Patrick Whitty, the Foggy Jew, who was interned here, rest in peace. That's Joseph Whitty, I think probably the youngest hunger striker, erected by the National Graves Association of Wexford 1969, so it's probably unmarked until then, or with something small. But this cemetery is, I will have more information on later videos. This is just a quick run through of Patrick Whitty. So obviously there's commemorations are still held here, so he would be one of the lesser known hunger strikers. There was a period kind of between the War of Independence and the 1981 hunger strikes, where there was a lot of different hunger strikes and men who died but weren't remembered as in the same vein as some of the more famous ones. But we'll take a walk through this cemetery as it is quite ancient. This is probably the old cemetery here. Fairly overgrown. Just take out the phone as well. So we're just here, still in Ballymore Old Cemetery, just taking a quick walk around. We're waiting to not get in here too much. Jesus. So this would have been the church, but not going to see a whole lot in here. Yeah, it's just bushes. I can't get in. There's thorns sticking into me everywhere. So right, have a quick look outside of it. You can see there's one 1852. It's on that headstone. This is fairly, I don't think this place gets many visitors anymore. Maybe this individual. That's about it. That is a crucifix covered in brambles and thorns, and there's more headstones over there hidden away, but yeah. So as you can see, they're all getting moved. Here lies the body of Mary Devereux, late of Calder. I can't read that properly. Blah 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 blah. Departed this life 21st of March 1833. it's very, actually, I think because of the way it's landing, or the way it's bent, it's protected from the elements. This would have made part of the, so you can see that. There you go again. The archway. I'll try and get over here. Okay. Here lies the body of Patrick Lamport, who departed this life March 25th, 1786, aged 50 years. Also his son Nicholas Lamport, who departed 1797. There's 1779. And can't see that one. Also, trying to read the years on them. 1824, the one in there. I don't know if you can, that'll come up on the camera, but right. And there's some more. Right. We'll leave it there.